Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Dear students, today we are going to read a lesson about soft and hard sound. The letters C and G can make two different sounds depending upon the letters that follow them. The soft sound of C is like S and G is like J, and it's followed by E, I or Y. The hard sound C sounds like K, and the hard sound C sounds like K, and the hard G sounds like G. Now we read about the soft C and G. Scent, city, cycle, cat, car, cook, gym, giraffe, gym, go, get, gun. See you in the next lesson.